Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Victus. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Victus is getting so hot it burns to touch, you're not alone. This overheating issue is often caused by dust accumulation or failing fans, which can severely affect the performance of your device if left unchecked. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to hardware failures, making repairs more costly and time-consuming. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a can of compressed air, and thermal paste. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface and remove the back cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew all the screws securing the back panel, and gently pry it open using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to apply too much force as this may damage the casing. Once the back cover is removed, locate the cooling fans. These are typically situated near the CPU and GPU. Check for any visible dust or debris obstructing airflow. If the fans are not spinning freely or are covered in dust, this is likely the culprit for the overheating. To extract the fans, disconnect the cables attached to them by gently pulling them out of their connectors. Remember to note where each cable goes for reassembly. Unscrew the fans using the same Phillips screwdriver, being careful to keep track of the screws. Replace the old fans with new ones by reversing this process. Ensure the screws are tightened properly but do not over-tighten as this may damage the components. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are secured in their original positions. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is in place, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU and GPU, if necessary, before replacing the back cover. Carefully align the back panel and press it down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert all screws and power on your device to check if the overheating issue has been resolved. To prevent this problem from occurring again, it's essential to keep your device clean and well ventilated. Regularly check and clean the fans and vents to ensure optimal airflow. Additionally, consider using a cooling pad when gaming or performing intensive tasks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.